In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information on eBay using Google Chrome. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer, as this is the browser you'll be using to log into your eBay account. Once you're ready, navigate to the eBay homepage. You'll find the login option typically at the top right of the page. Here, you'll need to enter your username or email address and your password. If you've forgotten your login details, eBay provides helpful options to recover your account, such as the Forgot Password link. So take advantage of these if necessary. After successfully logging in, your next step is to access your account settings. Look for the My eBay option, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page as well. Click on this and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Account. This will take you to the page where you'll manage your account settings. Once you're on the account page, look for a tab or link labeled Personal Information. Clicking on this will bring you directly to the section where all your personal details are stored. Here, you get an overview of the personal data eBay keeps on file for you, such as your name, email address, and more. Now to update your name, locate the Edit option right next to your current name. Clicking Edit will bring up a form or a text box where you can enter your new name. Be sure to double check your spelling here, as you want to make certain everything is correct before you save any changes. This is a straightforward process, but taking the time to review your changes can save you from future hassle. Once you've entered your new name to your satisfaction, look for a Save button, often located below or beside the text field. Click this and your changes will be recorded. You should receive some kind of confirmation message letting you know that your information has been successfully updated. It's a good idea to log out and log back in to see your changes live on the platform. This will ensure that your personal information has been updated across all areas of your account. If you face any difficulties, eBay customer service is available to help guide you through any remaining issues. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your personal information on eBay using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.